Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ahmed, registration number SP21BCS071, first semester. Today I am here to talk about importance of religion in our lives. Why is religion crucial? Even the most uncompromising atheist believes that truthfulness is better than lying, right? Atheist also believes that faithfulness is better than betrayal. These terms are not from this world, and the material world does not substantiate their conceptualization or their requisite. What does truthfulness means and what does lying means? If we analyze the depth of the atoms, will we be able to monitor the concepts like truthfulness or lying? If we also observe the physics of galaxies or the chemistry of hormones, we will also be able to observe the faithfulness or betrayal. Hence, these concepts are not from this material world, yet they are real concepts. As a matter of fact, they are the most important things in existence. The value of man is measured by his manners. A hadith is quoted. The Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "And what is most likely to send people to paradise? Being conscious of Allah and good manners." From Al-Bukhari. Not his material size on the number of his atoms or the level of energy in his cell. The value of man is recognized by how deeply he complies within the divine obligation within himself. There is a good man and evil man, but there is no good mountains and evil mountains. There is no faithful planet and unfaithful planet. There is no good valley or bad valley. It is only man who can uphold values, purpose and meaning. It is only man who can perceive existence. Why can mortals be the resultant of the brain or the society? The brain is made up of the very same material components, no matter how complex the brain is, no matter how complex its material components. The sum of all zeros will always be a zero, no matter how many zeros we add. Since matters known no good or evil, the brain as well knows no good or evil. Hence, the question that poses itself is, how did the concepts of good and evil settles in the brain? What prevents the brain from annihilating the whole earth and everything that lives on it? Why can't the brain think of placing the weakest of mankind in animal cages? Why can't the brain get rid of all the sick and handicapped, so as to leave only the high efficient like the Nazis Project Auction T4? The material brain does not know if any of the above action is good or bad because the brain is completely indifferent when it comes to mortals. Since it is made from the very same atoms of the earth, there is no connection near or far between mortals and the brain. As for the notion that says the societies could be the origin of morality, this idea is so strange because mortals are subjective and they concern man as a man, not the societies as a society. If any of this was true and mortals have originated from the society, the Nazis would have been right in disposing of all others, since this is what the society would want. Hence, mortals are separated from the society, and both the good and the bad societies know what righteousness is and what evil doing is. Consequently, mortals are far beyond the brain and the society. What is the relation between religion and the issue of morality? Religion is the only thing that gives a rationalization for manners, the only thing that gives morals their distinctive character. Morals can only be perceived within the framework of divine accountability, and religion is the only vivacious entity in the whole existence, since it is the only guidance we have to the purpose of existence. Through religion, we know why are we here, what follows death, what existence means, and what is needed from us. Without religion, the universe will regress to total blindness and nihilism. Ibn al-Qayyim, may Allah have mercy on him, says, "There is no pathway to happiness or well-being in this life or the afterlife except that which is pointed to us by the prophets. There is no way to distinguish the good from the bad in detail except through them. The satisfaction of the Creator can never be attained except at their hands." Their guidance and way of living is our only herald to good morals, deeds, and words. This whole world is pitch black and damp, except from where the sun of the revelation shone. Ibn Taymiyyah. Without the divine revelation, we would not know the purpose of existence, the meaning of goodness, or its value. Without the divine revelation, the whole world would be reduced to nothing but a scary frivolity. Without revelation, we would have just been star stuff, as Carl Sagan says, or an insect, as Sartre says. Prophethood is the only pulse of existence, and without it, the best invention and the most ecstatic desires would have been real terror. Without religion, the whole world is a big waste. If you ask any atheist this existential question, why are we here in this life? What will happen to us after we die? He will either resort to sophistry or he will stay silent. Hence, religion is a natural requirement when it comes to perceiving moral values or realizing the meaning of existence or answering the existential questions of who created this whole existence, who created man, what is the purpose from our existence, and the wisdom from action or beings. In this universe, only religion Islam gives you the answers of these existential questions. Thanks.